it's so happy day for all of us.
ना जब खिलाड़ी जो आपकी विरोधी थी वो एक बार बीच में गिरी तो आपको लगा कि एक तरीके से वो वेट कर मतलब वो टाइम वेस्ट करना चाह रही है?
मुझे यही लगा मुझे नहीं मालूम था क्योंकि दे आर वेरी स्ट्रांग एज प्लेयर्स, दे आर वेरी फिजिकली स्ट्रांग. मुझे नहीं लगा कि वो ऐसे गिर के एकदम उनका नी ट्विस्ट हो जाएगा. बट इट वाज व्हेन आई एक्चुअली सॉ हर स्टैंडिंग अप, तो मैं भी थी बिकॉज आई कुड फील द पेन. उनको इतना दर्द हो रहा था. बट इट हैपेंस टू मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स. जब टफ मैच होते हैं तो यू नेवर नो, यू आर टू मच इनटू द गेम के उतना एहसास नहीं होता क्या हो गया सडनली. और
the journey started for you in Beijing. It comes to an end in London. How relieved are you first?
Very much, because I wanted a medal first of all, starting with Rabi. First time quarters, now semis, maybe next time और better होगा. But I have to be working hard now, और hard work करना है मुझे क्योंकि वो और ready हो जाएंगे मेरे साथ now, and there'll be even more वो fighting spirit और दिखाएंगे अपना. So I have to be very much ready to play against Chinese, and otherwise one of the main thing which I can tell right now is जो impossible चीज थी इंडिया के लिए, winning a medal in badminton, वो मैंने आज कर दिखाया. और I think from now on it won't be impossible for India, any of the Indian players from badminton, and I'm sure in future they'll get lot more medals.
There's a desperation on you because we saw you training. There's a desperation this time to win that medal. You shot everything off, took a lot out of you. I mean, 6 in the morning at the academy, going back home at 8, no dinners, nothing, just one IPL match. So finally relieved you can actually go out and just relax now.
I think nobody knows what all I went through. You know, there were many people who actually told me, Saina, क्या तुम कर सकती हो ये? So मैंने सोचा just let me be focused and train hard, and I'll show them maybe. You know, I can't speak directly, but I show them what I can do. So आज मैंने वो कर दिखाया, and I think you know, भी मुझे कहा कि शायद मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I can't beat the top players, but today I have done it, and I'm so happy about it. And I'm actually very sorry to all the media people because मैंने काफी avoid किया था media क्योंकि just wanted to be away from the pressure. Media is lovely, of course. उन्होंने पहली बैडमिंटन प्लेयर को इतना ऊपर चढ़ा दिया जो you know I can never expect, क्योंकि बैडमिंटन कभी भी इतना पॉपुलर नहीं था, and it's all because of the media. So I really thank them a lot. तो उनके लिए एक पार्टी लगाना actually मेरे को.
Only non-Chinese player in the final four. You know, what does it mean for?
Great, because now I think not only Indians but I think other people also will think that हम भी कर सकते हैं, we can also beat them, because I've seen many of the other players जब वो चाइना के साथ खेलते हैं they just play, you know, they don't play for winning, but now I think they will also have the spirit of winning and getting a medal or achieving something for their country.
करोगे आप?
काफी लोग हैं thank करने के लिए. First of all, of course, Akhilesh sir is here, so I really want to thank him because from the first day he.
Great job. It's a brilliant thing. We are proud of you.
Thank you.
We are really proud of you. You have done a great.
Because from the first day, हम जब से यहाँ पे आए हैं, हमें वेलकम किया फर्स्ट. उन्होंने फर्स्ट डे से हमें बोल रहे हैं कि ऑल द बेस्ट, अच्छा खेलना, एंड इट्स वेरी सपोर्टिंग. यू नो, जब तुम्हारी बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन की तुम्हें हेल्प करते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड माय फादर, ऑफ कोर्स, फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 8 till today, he is like, साइना तूने कुछ अचीव नहीं किया है और बहुत करना है. He is the one. My mom, really want to thank her. She is very strict. So she is the one mainly who made me what I am today. But Gopi sir, he's trained me like mad. I think he's pushed me like mad. आज भी बहुत टेंस थे वो कि साइना तू just give your best to the result. So I really want to thank all of you.
आपको all of उनकी आंखों में आंसू थे.
सबकी आंखों में आंसू थे. It's really.
Were the tears in your eyes as well when you realized?
Actually, जो खुशी मुझे आज मेडल के बाद हुई है, मैं अभी तक एक्चुअली बिलीव नहीं हुआ है कि मुझे हो चुकी है. तो मुझे रोना आ ही नहीं रहा है अभी तक. पता नहीं कब सोचूंगी मैं इसके बारे में, बट जो मैंने अचीव किया है, टाइम जब वो ऊपर जाएगा ना फ्लैग, तब आएगा.
You spoke about all these people you wanted to thank, but now when it's after about half an hour, is the responsibility, weight of responsibility off your shoulders, because you've done everything, you've got almost everything out there. It's not the one mistake, and they've always been a regret.
I think this is the only one player wants. I think I don't want anything else in my life now. This is the one only what I wanted, and I got it. So I'm happy that Olympic was the main thing for every player, and I got it. But target of next Olympics का रहेगा to do well in the next Olympics, and before that there's so many tournament titles जीतने हैं मेरे को, so I work hard for that.
सुनील वंशिक में इससे बड़ा मैच गोल्ड मेडल अगले ओलंपिक
I will try my best.
Thank you.